Today we need to discuss about the portal app. See, we already discussed like how to create a canvas app, how to create a model driven app, and now today we need to discuss about model driven app. Okay, so where we need to create what is a portal app? First of all, what is portal app? That means, see here. First of all, we need to log into the Power App site. See here. Okay. First of all, what is portal app? Okay. So in Canvas app, what you created, you create an application. Okay. In model driven app, we can restrict and we can create an application. Okay. Okay. In Canvas app, we can show all the data. In model driven app, we can restrict the data and we can create an application in model driven app, right? In portal app, we can create websites. What is that? We can create websites. When you create a website, so see in portal app, okay, you have to create websites. So that means how you need to design the website. Same like that in portal app, we can create an website. Okay, let's see. And one more important point is initially at the time of creating environment, if you create a database, that is fine. Okay, if you're not or creating a database at the time of environment, okay, must and should in the portal app you have to create a database first. After that you have to suppose if you create a database at the time of creating environment, okay, then no need of creating. Understand? That is the first important point. Second important point is only one app only you can create it. If you are a free user, you can create one portal app. Okay. If you have licensed one, then you will create multiple apps. Per user license, like a different license will be there, right? Per user, per app related one license will be there. When you are taking per user license, then you can create a number of canvas app and number of model driven app and number of portal app. Understand clearly? Okay. So now see, portal means creating a website. So how you need to design a website and everything, you can design it there without writing a single line of code. Okay. If you want to create a website means you have, so previously before coming to the picture of power apps, like by using power, .NET, Java, but these applications are supporting for creating a site websites, right? So not only those one, but those applications are created by writing some coding language into that one and create an application. But here, by using Portal app, you cannot write a single line of code. You just need to take the different components and create a different. different pages in that particular website. Understand clearly or not? Okay. So let's see how you can create them. How you can create a portal app. Okay. So you already know, right? Under the create, okay, go to the create tab. Under there is an option called blank app, right? Click on the blank app. Under that, they see here create power pages. Okay. Click on this one. When you click on this home tab, okay, first you need to start with a template. Okay, this is the particular page it will open. In this there are different tabs will be there: home, templates, and learn more, and solutions, and everything. Okay, so in this one, in home tab, you will have two options will be there: start with a template and start from blank. Okay, from blank means from scratch onwards, how you need to design a website, you can design it. If you use a start with a template, that means Power Apps will provide some sample templates. By using those templates, and you can extend with those templates, you can create some components into that particular template. Understand clearly or not? See here, first of all, start with a template. When you click on start with a template, see here, there are different templates will be there. Whichever template you like it. Suppose, for example, I want this one. Okay. Let's see. See, if you want to know how this will works, just click on preview template. When you click on preview template, see here, choose this template. Okay. Whenever if you like this template, okay, then you have to choose an option, choose a template. Okay, when you choose a template, it is asking what is the template name, and what is the web address and everything. Okay, this is first portal template page. Okay, and here create a web address means anything, like, see, suppose for example, website address. Web address means website address. You want to see the website, how you want to see, like first portal template page dot powerappsportal.com. This is the URL if you want to set it. Whatever name you can set it. Along with this name, this is the extension for this particular uh, name. Understand? That means whenever you want to open the site means, see, like first portal template page dot powerappsportal.com. If you click on that, your page will be open there itself. Understand clearly? And which language you want to set it, and select that particular language. And always you have to select English language only, and click on done. Okay, so that means the template is created. Whatever template I created, where is my template? Means in the home itself, if you scroll down, okay, you will see your first portal template option is there or not. See here, this is the one. Understand? So that means whenever you will have edit option is there, just click on it. Or else if you want to view how the app look like, that means click on preview. Anything you have to do. Okay. So whenever this option will comes, like see, previously I created some sites like this one. Okay. Same like that. If you want to create a particular page means, see here. See here. Now, when you come down, you will see an option. There are two options will be there: edit or preview. Suppose if I click on preview. See here. And when you click on preview, that means preview is nothing but playing that particular website. Okay. If you run that particular website, you need to click on preview. Okay. Whenever you click on preview, there are two options will comes here. One is desktop. That means that particular website, you have to run it in your laptop or a desktop. That means in the new page, in the new tab itself, it will run that particular page. If it is a mobile, means you have to scan from your mobile, and from the mobile itself, you can view that particular website. Now we have to run this particular website in our desktop itself. Click on this one. Whenever you click on this one, see how it will look like this. In that, it is just a template. We are not taking anything in that particular one. Okay. So, see here, like this, it will be there. Okay. And click on add call to the action here. And you click on all something, you have to write it here, right? Okay. If you click on home and see this is the home page. If you create a new pages and everything, sub sub page and everything. If you want to use it, see here, sub page having a different stories and everything. Okay. And you have to design it. Still it is a default template it is. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, click on edit it. That means you have to design by your own. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, click on edit option. When you click on edit option, see here. See here, when you click on edit option, in the left side, there are different options will be there. Page option. That means if you want to create multiple pages, then you can create a pages here. Okay. If you want to give some different styles of this particular one, okay, then see here, there are different styles, whichever it is. I will tell you all these things. Okay. This is how it is having a default templates, but in the organization level, we are not using default templates. Always we have to take it as a blank one. Understand? So go back to the previous one. Okay. So you have to click on start from blank option, because by your own you need to create a website. Okay. So click on start blank, and here itself, Naresh IT blank portal app. And the website name is Naresh IT. Like this. Now see here, Naresh IT portal app dot powerappsportal.com, and click on that. Okay. So you have to come down. Okay. And so meanwhile, we need to discuss other one. So templates is nothing but a default templates, which is provided by Power Apps. It is okay. See here, some default templates are in templates tab. You will have different templates. If you want to use those templates, mean just click on that one and give the name for this one and create the template for this one. Okay, and learn. Okay, in this tab itself, so how you need to create a websites and everything, some tutorials are available here, which is provided by Microsoft. Okay, some tutorials, when you go to this tutorials tab, and training videos, something it will be there. Design your home page like this, and see the videos. By seeing the videos, after that, if you want to design by your own, you can see all these things, all these videos, and based on that, you can create your website. Understand? So here also solutions will be there. Solutions, so you know, right, what is solutions like, and whatever portal app you created, those portal apps, if you want to pull it into this environment, you can use that particular app here also. Okay, we already discussed about the solutions, right? So the same solution tab here also it is available. Go to the home tab, and maybe it is created. Okay, see here, click on create. See here, whenever you click on this one, whenever you click on edit option, whatever app, whatever blank app you, portal app you created, that app, if you want to design by your own, then click on that particular edit option, then this page will come. In this, there are different tabs will be there, pages, styling, data, setup, and everything. Pages means like how many pages are required. That means how many pages are required means in that particular site itself, how many pages you want to click on this one. Okay. So that you have to design it here itself. Understand? So create a new page and everything. In each page, see here, this is a header one. And these are here itself, we can take the different components. Okay, and like whichever is required, you have to use it. Understand? So let's see, suppose for example, okay, in this one, in this particular under the pages, see here, there is a company name is there, and this is the header related part, and this is the components related. There are different sections. This is one section, and this is another section. Okay, in this section, you are designing your header. Okay, so I want to design my header itself. Okay, so for that, first you have to select this particular header and click on edit site header option is there. And here, what is the name of this one? Title name. So by default, what is the name it is showing? Company name, right? So instead of that one, see here, um, power platform site. This is what my header is. Okay. Suppose, for example, if you want to load, by default, it is given the image here. In this, there are different tabs are there, right? In this title plus logo tab, first you have to give the name of that particular one. And after that, here, see, by default, some logo, it will come. If you don't like it, and if you want to use your own image, then what you have to do? First, you have to download that one. Okay, and yeah, so here, so I like this one. So save the image in the downloads folder. And come here and upload your image. Okay. So some default images also they are given there. Okay. And here, instead of that, upload images. These are the default images. Okay. So you can upload your image. Okay. So wherever the image is there, you have to go to that and select that image. Okay. Choose that one and click on OK. See here, that image will come here. Okay. And so when you go to the styling, there are different colors will be there. Okay. See here, these are brand colors. That means these are not the default colors. Okay. When you click on that particular color, then you will see there are different colors option will be there here itself. And so if you have any color code is there, that color code you just need to paste it here. Understand? Suppose for example, I didn't like this one. I want to like this particular one. So then what you have to do? Okay. And suppose, so I have some image is there. In that image, there is a color is there. So that means, yeah, see here, this is a site. Is use image hexadecimal code is generated here itself. Okay. So yeah, I'm pulling that image, whatever image in your local system, in that image, whichever color you want, I want to take that particular one. So for that one, I want to load the image from my local system. See here, browse for image. See here, suppose I like this color, then you have to select the highlight this one, then automatically below that the hexadecimal code is generated. So you have to copy this hexadecimal code and go to that particular site itself, and here itself you can give that particular this hexadecimal code, whatever you copy it, paste it here. See here, then automatically that it will be, see here, that it will come. So these are the different colors. Okay, whichever color you want, you can select it here itself. Understand? The same color. Okay, this color, you want to put this color in the title or site navigation. See here, if you want to put it as a title for the same color, then you have to choose this color, what it is there. Then see here, like this side. If it is a title related, if it is a site navigation related, that is different. Okay. So for that one, what color? I want to keep it as a same black color. I don't want to change it. Okay. And click on layout. In this layout, so how much like whether you want to minimize it, maximize it. Okay. See here, like this, it will be there. So you can set all these things in this particular. So, but better to maximize this one, like, okay. So see here, that is the color code it is generating here. And so, and these are the sections. Okay. Understand clearly or not? So in this one, You already know all these options, right? When you click on the website, and I already discussed all these options. Okay. Okay. This is how you can create, you can change that particular site header related one. Understand clearly? And in the center, okay, this center, this is a detailed one. Okay. In that particular website, whatever you want to enable it, those things are available here itself. Understand clearly or not? In this we can call it as components. You can take the different components in this particular section itself. Okay. And by using those components, and you can design your website. Understand? You can take the text box, you can take the button, you can take the image. Okay. You can take the video or anything. See, there are different options will be there. Okay. List, but even Power BI reports also you have to use it here. Understand? This is how it will be there. I will tell you how you can use these components. I will clearly explain you everything. Okay. So that means in a particular page itself, there are only two sections only it is there. If you want to create multiple sections also, you can create it. See here, there is an option called add a section. Click on this one. You want like a 2 column related, 1 column related, and 3 column related. Suppose if I'm choosing 3 column related, see here, when you come down, okay, okay, see here, 3 components, that means in 3 different categories it will be there. Understand clearly or not? Suppose if you want to delete this one, okay, just select that particular one. If you if you want to delete any section, means select that particular one, delete, click on delete option in your keyboard. Understand clearly? Okay, this is how you can create a sections or you can delete a sections. Under the sections only, there are different components are available here itself. Understand clearly or not? Let's see. Let's see with other options. Okay, and this is about the pages. When you go to the styling, okay, here, what is the styling? That means this particular one, how you need to okay, there are different templates will be there. Okay, suppose I like this one. Okay, I like this template. Okay, so choose that one. Okay, these are all the default templates. It is, there are different themes. Sorry, different themes are there. Okay, if you want to use these themes, you can use it. Vijay, only whatever themes they are providing, only that only we can use it. Is there any we can use like our own themes itself? Yes, you can use it. Okay, so for each and every theme, okay, under the themes itself, the right bottom corner, you will see 3 dot buttons is there. Okay, and click on manage CSS. In this manage CSS, see here some, that means if you have any theme is there, you can upload the theme here itself. Understand? So, because when you are working with organization, clients are not accepting your default themes itself. They are having own themes. Those themes you have to use it. For that one, what you have to do? First, you have to download those themes into your local system. And after that, you can upload those themes by using this option. Okay. Under the styling, in any theme itself. Okay. Any of the theme on the right, okay, on the right bottom corner, you will have 3 dot buttons and manage CSS. Okay, when you click on this option, here it is like some default themes are uploaded. Those themes only it is appear here itself. So if you want to use your own theme, just whatever theme is available in your local system, you can upload that theme here. Understand clearly, or else whichever it is required. Suppose I require this one, then select that particular. And for this one, which colors you wanted? See here, some colors it is there. Okay, I didn't like this color. Okay, you can click on this one and change the color code here itself and choose this one. Suppose if they are providing a color code, just to take that. So if they are providing a color code means they are giving an hexadecimal code. That hexadecimal code, you can paste it here. Then automatically that color code is applied here. Okay. Actually, the color codes, that means colors, we cannot take the color and apply it, right? So the colors will be generated in the hexadecimal code. So if you want to apply any color, color means, so first you need to take for each and every color, there is an hexadecimal code. You have to take that hexadecimal code, and where the color options is there, click on that color options, and here there is an hexadecimal code is right here itself. You can paste it automatically with that hexadecimal code. What color is there, that color is applied. Understand clearly or not? So this is what, after taking the different themes itself, you have to click on save. Must and should, you have to click on save. See here. Understand? After saving this data, see here, now you will take this particular theme, and whichever theme you want, you can select it. Must and should, you have to click on save. Okay. If you didn't click on save, then that particular theme color is not applied to that particular site. Understand? And here itself, you can take the data. Okay. When you go to the here, you can take the tables. Okay. Tables means what tables it is, like whichever tables are available in Power Apps, those tables, if you want to use it in this particular site itself, you can take. Or else or else if you want to use the views also, you can use it. Or else if you want to give the form also, if you want to generate it, you can. I will show you each and everything. Okay. If you want to create a new table, see here, new table from external data. Okay. If you want to create a new table, click on this one. If you want new table from external table means, like suppose for example, from where you are, that means from the data source, if you want to create any particular table, you have to use external table option. Understand? Like this. Okay. And setup here itself, like so details of this particular one, who is the owner for this one, when it is created, who is modifying. See here, the trial version, it is, see here, the trial version is like so convert into trial version. That means that this particular portal app is applicable for 30 days only. Okay. Whatever portal app you created, that is valid for 30 days only. If it is 30 days, what is the use of creating that one? That means I'm saying, for if you are using a free user, that portal, whatever portal app you created, that is valid for 30 days. But if you take the license one, forever, you can use that one. See here, I'm a licensed version here. So that's the reason here, if you want to convert it to trial 30 days, then and then only this particular portal app is converted into 30 days. After 30 days, automatically this portal app will be deleted. Remember. Okay. So with your free version, you have to create a portal app for 30 days is enough for you. Okay. But when you work with organization, they will provide complete one. They are providing a license one, right? Forever, you can use that particular. Understand? And even if you want to create a flows also, you can create it. Okay. So first you have to go to the pages. Okay. And in this page itself, under the page navigation, you will you will see you will see the home option. This is the default page. Okay. For portal app, this is the default page it is created. Okay. Suppose for example, I design this particular header, right? So now run the website. If I want to run this website, see here on the right side, you will see an option called preview. you will see an option called preview. When you click on preview, what will happen? Whatever website you created, that it will be run on the website side. Understand? That means when you click on this particular preview is nothing but play that site. Okay. The preview means play that app. Okay. That means that that particular app will be run on a different tab itself, different tab browser itself. That particular app will be run. Understand? See here, click on this. See, whenever you click on preview, it is asking again, it is asking whether you want to run it in the desktop or mobile. So I want to use desktop one because my laptop is a desktop, right? Okay, so click on this one. See here, the new tab will be open. In the tab itself, the other application will be. Okay, so why my details are not showing that like this means I need to save this one, right? Okay, now run this one. Still it is showing like that. It is showing as okay. Maybe it will take some time. Don't worry. But whatever app you created, it will be reflected in the whenever you run the app itself. It will take some time. Okay. So that means that also automatically it will be reflected. Okay, you no need to do any changes here itself. Understand? So after running this, so headers are created. Okay. Now some components need to be added here itself. So if you want to add some components here means select this particular box. Whenever you select this particular box, see here on the top, you will see edit background. Okay. And there are different layouts. See here, first of all, when you click on this edit background, see here, there are different brand colors will be there. So whichever color you want, see here, like this, I click on this one. And when I click on this one, that particular, I don't want this one. So I don't want this color. Whichever color you required it, you can use it. Or else if you want to upload your image, suppose for example, so I have some images will be there. See here, I'm selecting this particular image. Suppose for example, see here and click on this one. Okay. And whenever you're taking that particular image, that image is not fit for this one. So you have to change it to, see here, again you have to click on edit background and under the image tab, whatever image you have selected, there is an image background size. Okay. Scale to fit option is there. Select that one. See here. Now on the background of that particular, okay, that particular component, you will see some images into that one. Understand? So if you want to use any other than this one also, you can upload that image and you can use that particular image here itself. See here, if whatever image is there, that image here itself. If you want to remove the image, you can click on this one. Okay, like this. One second, like. In all of this is the image I want, right? So see, yeah, see, this is the image I want. So what you have to do is you have to download this one, save image. The same image you have to use it here. You can upload your image. Okay. See here, click on OK. See here, like this it will be there. In the background, it is showing this. Okay. So that means you can set the background and there is a different layout options will be there. In this particular one, there is a single column it is. If you set it as a two column related, see here, there are two different sections. See here, the dotted one, this box will be there, another box, this is the one. Okay. So in which component, in which column wise the component is required, you have to choose that one. For a single column is required, and here whether you want to put it as a horizontal basis, like this one, okay, in the center part itself, like in the right alignment, whichever alignment you want, you can choose that particular one. Okay. And this is the design part. Suppose for example, you want to set it as a border for this one, as a suppose, see here, in this header there is a border, it is there, that it will take like any border or color, okay, radius, anything you can take it here. Understand? So after this, okay, see here, these are the components. See here, some default components will be there. Okay, text box, button, image, and video, form. And when you click on these three dot button, there are different other components also it is there. Suppose for example, I'm clicking on button. I'm taking a button here. Okay, what is the button name here? Like suppose for example, um, power apps, button name is power apps. In this one, what URL you have to give here, that URL you need to give. Suppose for example, the URL is, when you go to the power apps, under the apps, okay, so I have like a different apps is there, right? So that URL I need to paste it there itself. Okay. So for this one, what you have to do, if I want to get the URL for this particular app means, click on the three dot button, there is a setting, sorry, details option is there, right? Under the details, there is a web link is there, right? Copy this one. Once you copy it, and here itself you can paste it. Okay, click on OK. Understand? So if you want to change the color for this one also, you can change it. Suppose for example, this is related to that particular one. And when you go to the style, okay, so there is a primary and secondary one. If it is a primary, look like this. Understand? So, so I'm selecting primary one, and here it's like alignment, which one you wanted. And the settings here it is like width. Okay, how much width or height you want to increase it here, and you can set it here itself. Understand? Cancel it, and see here, okay. So now run the application. See here, what will happen? See, when you click on the Power Apps, this button, see here, what will happen? In another page itself, the site will be open. Okay, can't reach to this page. Suppose not this one, maybe it is not published to that particular one. See here, it is opening. Okay, when you click on refresh it automatically. See here, that that not only that one, in that URL, anything you can give. Okay, suppose for example, in that particular button, instead of this one, I'm giving like URL as like Microsoft Power Apps site. Suppose what is the Microsoft Power Apps site? Microsoft. Okay, this is the site. So I want to give this site here. Okay, give this one. And click on OK. And when you run the application, see here, see, and you click on this one, see, automatically site will be open. This is how you can create. Not only this one, there are different options will be there, right? So whichever component is required, you have to take that component. That's it. Okay. Mm, like- And even for each and everything, like you can change these related things also, like margin related everything. Okay, most of the times we don't want to touch it, and see, this is the one. Okay, and anything. Okay, and that's it. And if you click on this option, this three dot buttons, okay, again, if you want to take other uh, components, then click on this one. See here, so under this button there is a plus button. You can add another component. Understand? Here itself, like some video. Okay. Mm, okay, suppose I'm taking video, YouTube video, whatever YouTube video is there, that URL you can paste it here. Suppose I'm giving the URL as, okay, what else? Okay, suppose for example, see, this is the, suppose whatever URL of that particular video is there. Okay, so now you have to copy that URL and paste it here itself, and click on OK. Okay, so now see here that it will comes here itself, and so you can set it like as you like it. Like suppose for example, like with the small size, like see here, you can maximize or minimize, you can fit it as the one. Okay, okay, now run the application. This is power, this button is for going for the site itself, and this video is for running that particular video icon. And you click on this one, once again, sorry. Okay, see here that automatically it will run. See these are video. Okay. Mm. And now see here, like even for pages also there are different options will be there for buttons also. Like suppose for example there are different styles are also there. Is let me check it. These are only it is there. Mhm. Okay. And I want to take another text box. See here the text box. Where the text box will be there. See here. This is the text box. Here itself, like what text box you want to enter it. See here in this one, like power portal. So like this portal. Okay. So if you want to change the color of this one, you can change it. Okay. And I'm giving like, okay, like this is the color. Okay. And in the paragraph, like whichever you want it, you want to in the small text or whichever you want, you can take it that one. And not only this one, there are different options will be there. Like when you click on the design, see here, these are, see, very interesting one. Okay, the text background color, how you want to set it. If it is shadow, suppose my shadow, I'm taking um, like this. See here, how it will look like this. See here, that means whatever text is there, the text shadow it will be displayed. Suppose for example, if you want to take the shadow for the text box means, see here, okay, run the application, then you will see. See here, the shadow of this text box as well as text shadow also it will be there. Whichever you want, or uh, like which color or which or how you want to see that one. Based on that, you can decide. Understand clearly? Okay. This is about this particular one, like how you can add the components and everything. Okay. And now we need to see like creating a different pages. Okay. If you want to create a different pages means, so this is only one page it will be there. Okay. If you want to create a new page means, see here under the pages, there is a page option is there, right? There is a here. Okay. Click on this one. And so first of all, what is the page name? Before giving the page name, first you have to choose the standard layout. Okay, that means the layout of that particular page look like this, or look like this, or look like this, or else if you want to blank page, if you want to take the blank page, then you have to choose it. Or else there are custom layouts also, it will be there. That means you are designing some page. Okay, you are designed a page in some other place itself, and you can use that particular layout. Okay, understand clearly or not? Create and upload custom layout is there, right? You can upload that particular. So most of the times we have to use start from the blank. Okay, and select this particular one and give the name here. Suppose for example, detail, detail, mm, details for customer, for customer data. See, this is another one, it is clear. Okay, this is another page. In this one, what I need to do, see, you know how to create a text box, button, images, videos, and I need to use forms. That means whatever forms you created under the tables, those forms I need to use it. Okay, let's see. Suppose, for example, you already created some forms, right? Or else, if you want to create a forms, you know how to create a forms under the tables, right? Okay, you know it, right? So just you have to go to that particular one, and so go to the tables, and under the tables, you will see. So you can select the table, right? What is the table name? Customer table. Okay. Wherever the customer table is there, in that customer table, you created a forms, right? See here, there is a forms option is there. Click on this one. And you already created a custom form. Customer form is there, right? See, in this customer form, how the form will be there. The same form, I need to use it there itself. Understand? Again, I cannot explain all these things. You know how to create a form here itself, right? You just need to create the form here itself, and those form you have to use it. Yeah. See here, there is a form option is there. Okay, click on this one. In the form, like see here, what form name? Like here itself, click on this new form. Under this new form, first you have to choose the table, because under the table only form will be there, right? What is the table? It is there, customer table. Okay, you have to choose that particular customer table. Here, choosing the table. After choosing the table, in the table, whether form is there or not, you have to check it. If form is not there, you have to create the form there, and after that, you have to choose that particular form. I already created a form there itself, so you just need to choose it. That means customer form. Okay, so and here also click on OK. See here. So when you run this application, okay, preview. See here, there are two different tabs are available. When you create a new pages, this is one page and this is another page itself. Okay. When you click on details customer one, you didn't have the appropriate permissions like it is permission. So in this one, like maybe it is, we need to change something. 1 second. Okay. Select this form. See here, the permissions you have to set it here. Okay. Now you can run this application. Still, we didn't have the permissions. Why it is coming like this? Yeah. Again, go there under this form. You can edit the fields also. In the form itself, what columns are there? See here. Okay, open this particular form itself. Select this particular form and click on edit fields. In this edit fields, okay, it will open that particular form and click on save a com, save and publish it. Click on save and publish it. After clicking on save and publish, saving. Okay, now it is saved. Click on, I will tell you, don't worry. And permissions is create, update, create, administrators. Okay, now in this one, you have to give some roles for this particular one. After giving a roles only, this particular form will be accessed. Okay, so that we need to discuss tomorrow. Okay, because tomorrow we need to discuss this one and how we can show the form. Not only form, and there is a list of list is also there. There is different components is there list. Okay, that also I will show you. Once this is done, this is how you can create a portal. And after this creation, that means tomorrow it will be completed. After that, we need to discuss like Power Automate flow. Okay. So Power Automate is also very interesting topic. I will create one flow and I will show you how it will works and everything. Okay. And one more important point is next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days holidays. Okay. It's an institute holiday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. 3 days it will be there. So, and tomorrow, evening, I'm in traveling. So, can we connect it in the morning section, 10:30 or like that? Is that okay for everyone? Can you please confirm it? so that I will decide like Amar Rajak, like Hassan, Hashim, Jyoti, and everyone. Can you please confirm it? So that if it is morning, like 10:30 to 11:30, like that, if it is possible, I will take the class in the morning section instead of evening. Okay. So please confirm it so that Amar Rajak, please everyone come confirm it. So, okay. Okay. So tomorrow morning 10:30 class will be there. Okay. Monisha, like Rupali. Rupali, can you please confirm it? Like Manaswini, Kittu, Shiva, Sumit, everyone. Yamuna. Okay. So tomorrow 10:30 class will be there. Okay. So in tomorrow's class, the portal part is completed. Okay. So after completing the portal, okay, we need to go for Power Automate related thing that we can discuss. Okay. Exactly this, the link, whatever you have, the link is there. That link tomorrow morning 10:30 it will be enabled. You can join in that one. Understand? Okay. So like this, and once the portal app is completed, then we need to go with the like Power Automate flow. One flow I will explain you. Okay, there are different triggers and actions will be there in that one. So like, and that also very interesting. But whenever you go with the projects away, wise like very important Power Automate also. These Power Platform is very important. Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate. These combinations are very important. So Power Automate, you can try it, and see there are different sites will be there, and you have to practice. But you have to take maybe some for some controls or some for from some triggers. License are required. Okay, so and license also like it's not more than like a 1700 like that. Okay, so better to take the license for 1 month related and practice it. After that, you can no not required. Just you want to know how the triggers will works and everything. That's it. Understand? So once that particular Power Automate thing is completed, then we need to discuss about like interview questions, like what type of questions will comes from this one. Okay, and all the interview questions we need to discuss it. And after interview discussion, I think that is the last class. Maybe 100% next week it will be completed. Understand? Okay. Tomorrow morning 10:30 class will be there. Please don't forget this one. Okay. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are holidays. Okay. And like from Wednesday, I will share the document. I will try to share the document on Wednesday itself. Okay. So remaining part, like, okay, before completing this, I will share 100% the document. Okay. And because this is the first time I'm preparing the document, that's the reason this much of time taken it will happen. Okay. With the new things and all the things are included into the document. Okay. Anyone having any doubts in this one? Okay, we can stop it here and we'll continue. Bye, guys. Yeah, yeah. Amar, like, yeah, morning. That means tomorrow only the morning class. That means from Wednesday, like after Thursday, next week, Thursday and Friday, the classes will be there. In Thursday, like evening only, normal day, evening. Okay, as usual, we can continue Thursday and Friday. These 2 days is enough. Okay, understand, right, Amar Raja? The morning class for only for tomorrow, not for other. Okay. That means next week, like a Thursday and Friday, those two are evening 7 o'clock only classes will be there. Understand? So we can stop it here and we'll continue tomorrow morning. Okay. Bye guys.